Tonight, you don't need to hold yourself together. Not your thoughts, not your emotions, not even your sense of control. All day long, your body has been carrying you through conversations, decisions, tensions you noticed, and many you didn't. And yet here you are, breathing, arriving, still held. There is a quiet intelligence within you that knows how to soften, if only you let it. Rest is not something you earn. It is something you return to. So tonight, allow yourself to come back, not to who you need to be tomorrow, but to who you are beneath the effort. Notice how often you are trying, even now, trying to relax, trying to do this right, trying to quiet your mind. Gently release even that, because the body does not need instructions to rest. It needs permission. What if nothing was required of you in this moment? What if your only role was to let go layer by layer? Like ice melting into water, like a tide slowly receding from the shore. You are not forcing rest. You are allowing it. And your body has been waiting for this moment all day. Now bring your awareness gently into your body. Feel the surface beneath you. Supporting your weight completely. There is nothing you need to hold up. Let your breath be natural. Unchanged. Easy. And with each exhale, feel yourself sinking just a little deeper. Not collapsing, but being received. Bring your awareness to your forehead. Soften it, as if warm water is being poured over it. Let your eyebrows unclench. Your eyes rest heavy in their sockets. Your jaw unclenches. Your tongue rests gently. Now let that softness flow down into your neck. Your shoulders. These shoulders have carried so much today. Let them drop. Let them release their weight. No holding. No bracing. Just melting. Let this softening move into your arms, down through your upper arms, your elbows, your forearms, all the way into your hands. Feel your fingers gently uncurling, resting effortlessly. Now bring awareness to your chest. Let your breath move naturally here. No need to deepen it. Just allow space. Your heart can rest too. Your upper back widens and softens, as if the whole upper body is gently dissolving into stillness. Now bring your awareness to your belly. Let it soften completely. No holding. No pulling in. Just natural. Easy. Let that softness move into your hips. Heavy. Grounded. Supported. Your thighs release. Your knees soften. Feel the relaxation flowing down your calves, into your ankles, and finally your feet. Let your feet be completely at rest. Nothing to do. Nowhere to go. Your entire body melting into the surface beneath you. Feel your whole body now. Soft, heavy, effortless, as if you are being held by something gentle and steady. There is nothing left to manage, nothing left to solve tonight. Just this moment and the quiet rhythm of your breath. If sleep comes, let it come. If stillness remains, let it be enough. You have done enough. You are enough. And now you can simply rest.